Today, we will show you the full process of how lip balm is made inside a factory using natural ingredients.
It begins in the orchards, where fresh apples are carefully harvested. Only the finest apples are selected for natural flavor extraction. The harvest is prepared for transport to the processing facility.
At the same time, natural beeswax is collected for lip protection.
Plant-based oils are prepared to create a smooth, nourishing base.
Every natural ingredient is tested before entering production.
All ingredients now move together toward the production facility. And now, the journey enters the heart of production. The raw ingredients arrive at the facility for controlled processing. The apples are immediately sent for industrial cleaning. Every apple is carefully washed to remove natural impurities. Only uniform, premium apples move forward in production. Natural wax is purified under controlled temperature conditions.
Plant-based oils are verified for purity and texture consistency.
All ingredients now converge for formulation processing.
The ingredients enter the heart of the formulation system. The journey continues as raw materials approach the main production complex. Every shipment is verified before entering the facility. Vehicles enter a controlled environment designed for hygienic unloading.
The materials are carefully transferred into automated handling systems.
Each ingredient follows its dedicated purification path.
Inside the facility, every stage is connected in a continuous flow.
The apples now begin their transformation journey. And inside this facility, the production process operates without interruption.
All raw materials now enter the controlled cleaning zone.
Each apple is carefully checked before industrial washing begins.
The apples are thoroughly cleaned using purified water systems. Excess water is removed to prepare for precise sorting. Only uniform apples proceed to the next processing stage.
Natural beeswax is gently melted for formulation use.
Plant oils are refined to achieve perfect purity.
All purified ingredients are now ready for formulation.
The core processing stage begins as all ingredients converge into the main production hall. The apples are transformed into a fine, natural pulp base. Only the purest apple extract is retained for formulation. Beeswax is precisely measured for texture control. Natural oils are prepared into a stable, moisturizing base. Now the ingredients combine in the main formulation reactor. The formulation begins to transform into a smooth, protective base. The mixture stabilizes into a smooth, nourishing balm base.
The stabilized balm base now enters the molding preparation stage.
Each portion is precisely measured for uniform lip balm sticks.
Sterile stick containers are prepared for filling. The balm is carefully injected into each stick container.
Natural apple essence is infused for a fresh, mild fragrance.
The balm solidifies into a smooth, stable texture. The finished products now move toward quality verification. The factory now enters a fully automated high-tech monitoring phase.
Automation ensures every product moves with perfect precision.
Every stick is analyzed for perfect consistency and quality. Only flawless products continue to the next stage.
The products are prepared for branding and identity application.
Each lip balm stick receives its final protective branding layer.
Every system now works in perfect harmony across the facility.
The products now enter the precision finishing stage.
Every surface detail is checked with extreme precision.
The formulation is tested again for long-term stability. Each container is tested for perfect sealing integrity. Only perfect products reach the final quality approval stage. All approved units are now unified into final production batches. The products now proceed to final packaging preparation.
The final quality control phase begins in a controlled laboratory environment.
Each sample is checked for perfect smooth texture and consistency.
The natural apple essence is verified for purity and balance.
The product is tested under extreme temperature conditions. Each unit is tested for physical durability and strength. The entire batch receives final certification for packaging. The approved products now enter the final packaging stage. The final stage begins as products enter the packaging hall.
Each lip balm stick is carefully placed into its protective casing.
Packaging boxes are formed with precision for final assembly.
Each box receives its final product arrangement.
Every package is securely sealed for safety and protection. Each product is officially coded and branded for distribution.
And this is how modern factories produce natural apple-flavored white lip balm sticks from start to finish.